In this video, you'll find out how to clean the coffee spout of your WMF 1100S manually. Switch the machine off, pull out the cover of the coffee spout, and remove the coffee spout together with the silicone part. Next, remove the silicone part from the coffee spout. Clean both parts under warm water. Please use a brush to remove larger areas of dirt. All parts must then be dried thoroughly. Reattach the coffee spout to the silicone part, making sure that the silicone part sits in the guides provided for it. The coffee spout can now be placed back in the cover. The best way to do this is first of all, place the coffee spout in the pre-cut holes at an angle and then push the upper part of the spout back until it latches in place. You can then reattach the cover of the coffee spout to the machine. The coffee spout of your WMF 1100S is now clean.